Hey everyone, it's Michelle. Here is your brand new bag. Take it and take it away. I'm a former client advisor for Vuitton, so I'm going to answer the questions that you guys ask every single year. I've made videos about this, but I know you're not going into my archives. How do I take care of my bag? Okay, so simple ground rules, and I know a lot of you are objecting already. Just listen. Once you drive your car off the lot, it loses value. It's going to get scratched. It's going to be exposed to air. Birds are going to poop on it. It's going to get scratched. It's your responsibility to wash it, rotate the tires, wax it, and all that stuff. It is yours. Same thing with your handbag. It's going to get bumped, dinged. It's going to get scratched on the hardware, and it's your responsibility to wipe the bird shit off of it or whatever you put inside the bag. Okay, so a lot of people come back to the store and they're like, do you see this little hairline scratch? Do you see it? And it's like, well, it's the hardware. It's the clasp. It's the zipper. It's fine. It's supposed to happen. It's made with metal, not scratch-proof metal, okay? Like, you're gonna be okay. These bags will experience wear and tear, and if you're crying that, no, it's not supposed to because it's a Vuitton, I don't know where you got that info, because nowhere on the website does it say, or nowhere on the receipt, the brand make any claims that this bag will stay pristine for the rest of its life, okay? Not possible. Next thing, how to store your bags. Before you leave the store, we always say, store it in the dust bag on the shelf, okay? In the dust bag on the shelf. And you know what? People respond all the time. Oh yeah, I do that. I put it in the dust bag, and then I put it in the box, and then I put it in the back of the closet. That's correct, right? No. Dust bag, no box. I did not say box. Throw away that orange box or do whatever with it. I don't even like it on display. It looks tacky, okay? Get rid of the box. You're not supposed to keep your bag in the box because it cannot breathe, but it can breathe in the dust bag. So in the dust bag, on the shelf. With that, be sure to rotate your bags. Don't use the same bag day in, day out. You guys, that's boring anyways. Don't you want to spice it up, like change it up with your outfits and stuff? So people ask, what does that mean and how many times? Well, you don't wear the same shoes every day. You would actually mess up your feet. So same with the bags, and you would run through those shoes quickly. So same with the bag. You want to make sure that they're rotated because, hey, it's just fun. And here's another thing. There's no one size fits all. There are a lot of Louis customers who want one bag for everything. I want to travel with it. I want to take it to dinner. I want to make it an every day. I want to fit water bottles. I want to fit my camera, and I want to put diapers in it. And I want to wear it to a wedding. Not possible. What do I spray my bag with? I just got a brand new bag. What do I spray it with? Nothing. Nothing. Nothing, nothing, nothing. You see in the store, we're not there spraying your bags. We don't even tell you to do that. It's an internet myth or whatever. Now, if you want to do that, it's on you. If you get a new bag with a brand new white vachetta, leave it alone. Let it patina. Do not put olive oil. Actually, anything wet with moisture, even spray. You're gonna be very sad if you get some like little dots or watermarks on it, because then you have it forever and it won't come off, okay? This is my vintage bag. Once it's fully patinaed, honey colored, that is when you can use a leather conditioner like Cadillac Shoe and Boot Conditioner that I have linked here. You can use a microfiber cloth and a little bit of polish and give your bag a nice little leather conditioner. It's like putting on lotion, okay? Also, to keep the canvas part clean, you can just use a damp microfiber cloth again, wipe it, and then use that microfiber cloth with the conditioner and condition your canvas, especially in stress points, which are usually right here. Another thing I saw, another YouTuber was doing this. She was not closing her Speedy, and therefore somehow it caused these parts to stress even more, and it could have just been remedied by zipping the bag. So anyways, these are usually stress points because if the canvas is cracked up top, canvas cannot be repaired, But if the canvas is cracked enough, they will not repair any of the leather handles either if you ever needed them to be repaired. So another myth that leads me to repairs are not free, and there is no bag spa, so don't drop your bag off to be cleaned. And don't complain about it just because another brand does it. Vuitton does not. Just like I said, like, clean your own car. Rotate your own tires, wax your own car, take care of your stuff. So on that topic, if you happen to taint your bag, like say this bag I bought like from Japan on eBay, if someone else had messed with it, like if someone else had painted it, and there was a case where somebody painted the leather and it looked like crap, and then she wanted it replaced, and it was like, no can do. Because then once that bag is sent to the service center and taken apart, it's like they don't know if someone else did the damage, they can't fix it, pretty much, you know? The last crazy thing I heard, can I just bring in my old bag for a trade-in and pay the difference? It's like, what? This is not the car leasing department or even the car sales. It's not no, you can't do that. Why? But you can resell it. You can consign it, you can offload it somehow, and then put that money toward a new bag if that's what you want to do. Okay, lastly, the Dame Ebene bags that look like this have a chocolate brown leather. They do not patina. Okay, so they're already treated, so that's a huge difference between this and the monogram bag. It's totally up to you which one you want to do. These, I still don't recommend that you spray or treat. Wear them a while before you decide to do that, because you just don't need to. You just don't need to off the bat. Oh, other question. So once you buy a bag, say you want to change your Neverfull handles from vachetta to black, will the service center do that? No, because that's customization, and no, they won't do it. If you're replacing a handle because say it's dirty or broken, it has to come back the exact same way that it was sold to you, basically. So no changing color or no like Barbie or Lego type of crazy stuff on your handbags. So at the end of the day, guys, I know some of you are gonna be mad at this. It's just a handbag. It's just a handbag that you paid more money for. It doesn't mean anything. It doesn't mean the retailer is gonna treat you differently. It doesn't mean that you should destroy your bag. It doesn't mean anything. Take care of your stuff. Thanks so much for watching. If you're to this point of the video, don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button. And I hope you enjoyed my show today. If you want more, you can join the membership portion. I will see you guys soon. Bye.